Good morning, everybody. Good to be back. Thanks for joining. It's been quite a while. It's been a lot of stuff happening. I'm in a bit of a pickle right now because with the new changes to trade day, the insane updates with the drawdowns, where I'm at right now is almost like starting with the 25K account. That 25K account has a 1-to-1 drawdown to profit target ratio, which is basically, well, I've never seen it on an end of day drawdown type. It's crazy. The drawdown for this 50K account used to be 1250. Now the drawdown on the 25K account is 1500 and the profit target is 1500, whereas the profit target on this account is 2500. Now it's like 2000, I think. So these updates are crazy, and I'm resisting the urge to tank this evaluation. And I'm just going to say it right now. I'm either going to trade well today, or if I hit my max daily loss, I will then be behind if I were to start a new evaluation on the 25K account. So I don't know. I'm, like I said, it would be cool to pass this evaluation, but I'm not really putting any pressure on myself. I'm maintaining that learning mindset. So whatever happens, happens. And I guess we'll see. They're also doing a 50% off sale right now, which is crazy. They've never done that before. Not that I've ever seen. Excuse me. Not that I've ever seen. 50%. That's crazy. If you use code IMANTrading20, that supports me at no extra cost to you. I'd really appreciate that. But, I've always said this. Don't do an evaluation if you don't think you're ready. Otherwise, it's best to just stick to sim. But eventually you'll get to the point where you've got the edge. You know you can do it when there's no pressure. And prop firms are a good transition to real money. That's what I'm doing right now. Getting that pressure without wasting a ton of money. Thank you, potatoes. Yeah, I mean, this is crazy. I'm like genuinely worried that they'll go out of business. I doubt they will. I'm sure a lot of planning and math went into uh, deciding on what to change the drawdowns to, but Top Step was probably the best in the industry in terms of those ratios, and Trade Day just completely blew that out of the water, or whatever that phrase is. A $500 advantage on the 50K account, and then $1,000 advantage on both the 100 and 150K, I think. It's crazy. All right, but let's focus on trading, because that's what we do. I'm going to take a look at my notes. Oh, yeah. We got news today, 9:45 news. So I will be stopping at 9:42. But I also need to watch out for low volatility consolidation. Consolidation is okay, but low volatility, probably best to sit that out instead of changing the brackets, but we'll see. Just gotta keep an eye on that. Alright, just started my bell. A little ding every 3 minutes. That's a big candle. Reminds me to look at my notes, make sure I don't know, turn into an idiot. Easy to do for me. Tradeovate's chart is invisible for you, Perry. Are you on the correct contract date? 12/23. That's the only thing I can think of. Do I do multi-time frame analysis? No. I'll look at a larger chart just to see the major pivots and stuff, but doesn't really influence my decisions. Only let me restart that. I don't use that to take a trade. I use that to not take a trade. I like to sit it out when it gets to the high of day or the low of day, or if we're coming up to some major pivot on the higher chart. I also look at a daily chart just for interest, not because it's actually guiding any decisions. Waiting for this to come back. I don't take trades at the high or low of day. Trade of 8 not working still. Man, sorry to hear that. Hello everybody, just joining. How you doing? Just keeps going up. When I see the candles consistently going up, is it tempting for you to make a trade? It used to be, but after enough experience, I know that taking a trade in, I know which conditions are high probability losses for me. In the long run, me taking trades when it's right here loses me money. And after collecting all that information, that removes any temptation at all, because why would I want to lose money? The only way it works is if I time something. And I don't want to do that, because that's bad for me. Stick to the conditions that I'm good at. Just have to eliminate the bad. And that is how I'll achieve consistent profitability. Because I know which action I can kick butt in, and I know which action kicks my butt. Oops. Right now, this action would kick my butt. So it's important to collect meaningful information, long-term stuff, adequate sample sizes. There will always be single examples of anything working or doing well at any type of anything. That means nothing. You have to figure out if you do good or bad hundreds of times. Maybe not hundreds, because that's a lot. I mean, hundreds is good, but I don't even think, yeah, I don't even have hundreds of days trading. Only 5 trading days in a week. What episode? I don't even know what episode we're on. Any background noise is my cat. All right, this is not good action. I can't trade that. Not for my strategy. No, man. Sorry to hear Trade of 8's not working. I need this to do something. Do I trade in a ranging market? Yes, if you're referring to a ranging market as in it's ranging on the higher time frames. I'll trade all price action types because you can categorize different price action types and determine high and low probability trades. I just don't trade at tops like this because I do poorly. I need it to come down. Did I enjoy my time off? Yeah, had a lot of fun. Played a lot of disc golf, went on some adventures, saw some cool cities, found some cool rocks. Quartzite with pyrite specks. Looks like gold. And asbestos. I found an asbestos rock. Luckily not in the powdery, fibery form. Still bought a little case to put it in to not touch it, though. Because I don't want to die. What exchange is this? Well, I'm I'm trading futures. I'm trading the NASDAQ on CME. Chicago Mercantile something. Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME. Yeah, break was good. I certainly missed trading a little bit, but I think it was good timing to release that ICT video and then go on a break just to you know, not have to deal with. Well, I'm just gonna stop talking because there's whatever comes next is I'm probably gonna regret. You know the situation. What is this? It just keeps going up. You're right. Magnetic stop loss. It do only go up. Hopefully some of you big move traders are catching this. Tough for scalpers like me. And then some people will be like, all you have to do is catch one of these moves. Okay. Then do it. Do it over the next 5 years. Just catch a couple of these. See how that works. Everything that seems like an edge comes out to break even on its own. Every approach has advantages and disadvantages. Right now, I'm at a disadvantage. Oh. Maybe. Okay. It's moving my mouse over to the sell button at 44. Oops. Hate when I do that. My cat is going nuts right now. Just go through the high of day again. Tempted to move the stop loss in. Yeah, I guess I should have. I sort of just assumed that we're going to break the high of day. Unless it's a good old-fashioned ticked out. And it looks like it is. Well, not yet. It's got to come down here, but... Yep, 9:43 now. 9:45 news. If price action looks good after that, then I'll do some trading, but we gotta wait for 9:45 news. Stopped out to the tick. I guess there was one tick higher that it went. Unfortunate. Do I know any exchanges that have like no spread for easy scalps? If you want to scalp, futures are your best option. If you want leverage and good spreads, I'm trading the NASDAQ. This is probably the best for scalping. That trade was a little painful, but I got greedy on that profit target. It never would have hit it anyways. Although 42. Yeah, I wouldn't have hit my profit target. Would have missed it by one tick. So, oh well. Here comes the news. Here comes the news. I'm gonna give it a minute. See if it looks good for trading. I think we're falling below here. But don't tell anyone. It's a secret. Oh, if you want another trick, say you think it's gonna fall, but then go long. That way you're always right. Because if it ends up going up, you can just say, changed my mind at the last second based on blah, 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 whatever, attribute it to some meaningless pattern. And then if it does go down, you can just be like, see, I knew it, but my psychology tricked me. There you go. There's another tip for any aspiring influencers who want to fool the world. Looks good for a trade. I'll catch up on chat after. Whoa. Was not expecting that. High of daybreak. Just kidding. It's gonna come here and then fall. Here's where it gets a little funny because I'm basically, well, with the new trade day updates, I'm all right. I'm focusing up. Never mind. I'll tell you later. Basically, just restart on one of those new 25K accounts with a better drawdown and same profit target. Holy. Don't come back up. I'll cry. I'll do it. You don't want to see that. Come on. Go down there. All right. God. That was a... Oh, okay. Really? This NASDAQ guy is a real jerk. Do 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 do. Looks a little better on a 30-second chart. Ah, sorry. So I need to harness the flow state of trading off stream with the discipline of trading on stream. That would be the ideal version of me. Oh, had the mouse on the sell button at exactly 25.75. Didn't click it. You gotta click the button. And also hesitated on the buy button down here. Come on, man. Oh. Ooh, not a good fill. Yeah. I've been a little too greedy on that profit target. Yep. Well, news in 2 minutes. Now well, I don't know. I don't know what to think, because if I restart the evaluation on the 25K trade day account, it's a 1,500 profit, 1,500 drawdown, which is insane because it's an end of day drawdown system. It would basically be like changing nothing except getting a bigger drawdown. I don't know. Well, either way, it's good to be back. I like trading. It's fun. Hey, look. Would have hit the profit target. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Hopefully you did well today if you're trading, unless Trade of 8 was broken for you. Thank you very much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.